Are you torn between Quicken Simplify and Quicken Classic in 2025? In this quick but complete breakdown, we'll compare the pros and cons of both platforms so you can choose the best tool for your personal finance needs. Let's dive in. Overview. First, a quick overview. Quicken Simplify is Quicken's modern cloud-based budgeting app. It is designed for ease, automation, and clean mobile-first access. On the other hand, Quicken Classic, formerly just Quicken, is the desktop-based legacy software. It has been around for decades and is favored for its depth and detailed reporting. Pros and cons. Simplify. Let's start with Quicken Simplify. Pros. Super user-friendly with a clean modern interface, syncs across devices instantly, mobile, tablet, and web, automatic categorization and spending plans make budgeting fast and easy, great for people who want a set it and forget it experience. Cons. No investment tracking or advanced reporting like Classic, can feel limited if you are a power user, requires a subscription about $3.99 per month or $47.99 per year. Ideal for casual users or budgeters who prioritize simplicity and access anywhere. Pros and cons. Classic. Now let's talk about Quicken Classic. Pros. Extremely robust, handles budgeting, investment tracking, tax planning, and more. Great for managing multiple accounts, rental properties, or small business finances. Offers decades of features trusted by long-time users. Cons. Clunky user interface by modern standards, desktop first with cloud sync that can be buggy, steeple learning curve, subscription model has gotten pricier, starting around $59.88 per year. Best for power users or anyone managing complex finances. Final verdict. So which one should you choose in 2025? Go with Quick and Simplify if you want an intuitive, mobile-friendly experience that makes budgeting effortless. Choose Quicken Classic if you need full financial control, detailed reporting, or investment and tax tracking. Some users even use both. Simplify for day-to-day tracking and Classic for deeper insights. And that's all for today's comparison. Thanks for watching and support us with like, subscribe, and see you in a new video.